Good morning, students. You are again welcome in our chemistry classes. Today, we will describe our most important topic for the board examination, Raoult's law from chapter sequence. I think all of you know that in previous video we have discussed the amount of solute, solvent, and solution. But it is the most important and essential topic for your board exam. It was given by Francis scientist Raoult in 1881. According to Raoult, at a constant temperature, the vapor pressure of a mixture of 2 or 2 more each compounds present in the mixtures. Mean at a constant temperature, a mixture can be composition by the 2 or 2 more substance. By the derivationally, it can be drawn as P0 minus Ps upon P0 equal to small n upon capital N, where the Ps is the vapor pressure of pure solute and solvent, and the P0 is the relative lowering vapor pressure. We know that the small n is the mole of solute and small n equal to the, we have a formula small w upon m, and capital N is the mole of solute and its value is small n upon capital W. By the using of this formula, we can easily determine the lowering vapor pressure of any solute or solvent. We can find out the vapor pressure of solute and solvent. We can find the moles of solute, and we can also find the moles of solvent. So it is a very important formula for the intermediate examination. Applications of Raoult's law. Applications of Raoult's law: by the determining experimental values of vapor pressure with the help of Raoult's law, we can derivate the important equations related to the vapor pressure and the solute and solvent, and we can easily identify the importance of ideal solution and non-ideal solution. So these are the basic features of Raoult's law. Now we will describe the limitations of Raoult's law. Raoult's law is applicable only for ideal solution. Mean for the non-ideal solution, Raoult's law cannot be applied. Raoult's law does not apply if a solute is solvent react chemically. Mean if a solute and solvent react chemically, then we cannot apply this formula. So these are the basic limitations of Raoult's law. Now in your textbook there is a equation given, at a temperature vapor pressure of pure benzene is C6H6C40 mmHg on dissolving 2.17 gram of non-volatile solute in 39.0 gram benzene. Vapor pressure of the solution is found to be 600 mmHg. Complete the molecular mass of solute. Here the amount of small w equal to 2.175. The value is 2.175 m. We have to find out because mass we have no information. W equal to 39 and m equal to 78. Ps equal to 600 mm and T0 equal to 640. So these are the values are given. Now we will put our formula as well as P0 minus Es upon P0 equal to small w upon capital M upon small m upon w. Then we will apply the value over 640 minus 600 upon 600 equal to 2.175 multiplied by 78 small m into 39. Now we will solve this equation. Here 640 less than 600, then it will be the 40 upon 600 equal to, it will be multiplied 39 to the 78 mean 2.175 multiplied by 2 upon m. Now it will also 0 cancel and 1 goes up and 15 goes up 60. Then it will be the 1 upon 15 equal to, it will be the multiply the 2.175 with 2, 2 5 is the 10, carry 1, 2 7 is the 14, 5, 2 1 is the 2, 3, 2 is the 4, 4.350 m. Now it will be the cross multiply together, it will become the m, 1 the m and 15 0 5 4 2 carry 5 and 60 65 mean your answer will be the 65.2 50. It will be the total mass of solute. So guys, with the help of this formula you can easily find out the relative lowering vapor pressure and the volume of solute and solvent. Thanks and have a nice day.